Welcome all. So today's topic is black magic protection or removal without wearing amulets and gemstones. Now, this was the question that so many people are asking even today, that what about people who are Muslims and what about people who are Christians and they are not able to wear the goddess Kali amulet or the gemstones or anything that you give to wear on the body, since it's not allowed in their religion, especially the idol wearing. So, and even if people who are not Muslims and Christians, even some of the Hindus who are not wanting to wear, heavy stuff on the body or even the lightest stuff on the body to show someone that we are under some sort of an astrological protection or any spiritual protection, is it still possible to get the protection done or the black magic removal done without the amulet or without the gemstones? So my answer to this is that yes, it is quite possible. There are many people who get this kind of a removal or the protection done by us where no accessory is used on your body for creating an energy level. It is recommended for people that if you can wear things, it will give you better results. When I say better results, as in that your healing capacity of the time frame of the healing capacity gives you more strength to go through that healing or go through that energy which needs the positive molecules. It's just one of the helping hands, but that does not mean that you are not protected if you don't go for the amulet or the gemstones. Now, I would like to use a technical term here for people to understand, because I wrote this black magic protection without amulet because the foreigners and the overseas people who are originally not Indians will not understand the Hindi term or the Sanskrit term. Otherwise, technically, we call this as an adrishya protection. Adrishya means that something that cannot be seen, okay, but it is still there, it's still existing. So the cost of the black magic removal when it comes to the adrishya removals or the protection increases from the normal protection that we give, or the normal protection. I mean that protection along with the gemstones and along with the amulets or the pendants. It's little higher than the normal one because here you're not wearing anything and we are trying to create a protection wall and remove the black magic with the invisible things that is not visible to the naked eye. Now, what's going to happen out here is that sometimes, yes, another point is that sometimes people say that we have somebody in our house who's into a lot of non-vegetarian food and who's into a lot of alcoholism, and the person does not even believe in the black magic existence and so forth. So what should be done, and nor he or she will wear anything. So even in this particular case, we recommend them that without telling them also, and creating a confusion and creating an argument in the house and wasting time, and as it is, the black magic victims don't have much time because every day is massively destructive for them. So we say without telling them, somebody from your own house, but it has to be somebody from your own blood relation. That means your mother, your father, your sister, your brother, any one of you, okay, not the extended family, but the original blood relation can actually keep away from eggs, non-vegetarian food and alcoholism for those couple of days till the time the cure is going on. Okay, because after that, as it is, you are not wearing anything, so the person is not getting to know about this. This I'm saying that when people have come themselves to us and talked about these problems, that just because of this problem, it's very difficult for them to take a decision or take a call that what should be done, because removal is important and the protection is also important. Okay, so do not think that if you're not wearing an amulet or a gemstone, you cannot be protected. The mantras, the yagnas can create a complete shield around you, a 3 layers shield around you that will protect you through the universal cosmic positive energies. It will protect you from all the future black magic prospects also which are planning against you. So basically there is a medium through which, without the amulet and wearing any sort of crystals, gemstones, you can be protected. Okay, so this answer should be clear to everybody. Now, another thing that people are asking regarding this topic is that, what about if we say that you create the amulet and you create the gemstone for the victim, And can we keep that in the house temple, or can you keep that in your own spiritual or energized place, so that on his name those things can be kept and he can actually gain more strength when it comes to the removal and even the healing part. So yes, even that can be done. You can keep that thing on the person's name in front of the photograph of that person in your house temple, or even in one of the cupboards in your houses. Like for example, if you have the person's photograph in your house, you can quickly keep that photograph inside one cleansed cupboard. When I say cleansed cupboard, means that it should not be having your sanitary things, it should not be having anything that is not clean. Okay, so one small area you can make, that you keep the photograph of the person, and then in a cotton cloth you can actually keep these amulets and gemstones in front of that photograph. So this is a part of the Adrishya thing, but it's just that some people say that we would want that tomorrow's time, maybe he agrees to the fact that yes, he is ready to wear something. So even if we get the Adrishya protection done later on, it's more beneficial for him if he can actually wear those things also. So that option is also there with us. Okay, so I hope I've clarified this question, that you wanted to know that something is there that can be protected without wearing, and also the format, that you have two options, that also I've mentioned. Okay, so that's about it. Next week I'll come up with another topic. Till then, goodbye.